Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at Sandy Direct in St. Petersburg, Florida. This is a piece they produced for client tween clothing brand Justice. And I love this. This is a really cool modification to a classic double parallel fold, and I love that it's a self-mailing format, so it's really practical and useful. So self-mailing, this is the mailing panel on the back. You flip it like this, and here's the cover. This also has a vertical format, which is nice. So it opens up like this, and I love this. There's a die cut. It says Live Justice, die cut block letters, and a little short panel. So as I said, this is a double parallel fold. So as you can see here, it's just in half and in half. However, they've got a short panel here, and then that short panel has a die cut in it of a message, Live Justice. So I love this because you open it down. I love how when you open it, this really pops out. It's almost like a little kind of simple pop-up element. It creates dimension, and yet there's no pop-up mechanism. It's just doing it because it's a fold on a short panel. So I love that this stands out. This also lifts up to reveal a tip-down element here. There's two perfs. There's a bookmark, a coupon for $20 off, and also a special offer for a free gift. And so you can peel those off, perf them, keep the bookmark, keep the coupons, and then I love how you open it up and you get all of the product specials and things and bright color on the inside. And it's just a very simple, it's just parallel folds. So the other thing that's extremely cool about this is this piece was done entirely in line from start to finish. So from print to die cut, fold, tip on, inkjet, perf, you name it, and seal, entirely in line for a long run. So this was extremely cool. This was done 4-color plus a varnish on a heat set web offset press. So really, really cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Modified double parallel fold with short panel and die cut. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dialogues, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.